going straight. That's it. Well done. Good. Bit more steering. Here we are on the Wanstead High Street. We're going towards the A12 dual carriageway. Good. What's the distance we maintain from the vehicle in front?
3 seconds.
No. Tyres and tarmac, yeah? That's the position. That's the following distance.
Okay.
That's when they're following, you know, when they pass a certain point on the road on the left, like a stationary object, and then when you pass that same object, that's how you count 1001, 1002. That's how you keep your distance. That's in dry conditions, and if it's wet conditions, the distance is 4 seconds. You don't remember that?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Now here we are, got a zebra crossing on approach. You can see the flashing lights here, the beacons. Good. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Carry on. Great. Now, we're coming to a set of traffic lights. We're going to be turning left at the lights, please. That's it. We're in the correct lane. Positioning. Good. Make sure you can comfortably see this light on the left here. Yeah, it was slightly positioned to the left as well, yeah? So what you got here, you've got 4 lights.
Okay.
Right? Do you know what the bottom one is for?
Left.
It's the arrow light, yeah, the filter light. So you've got to keep an eye on the filter light, that it may go on and the main light remains red. So your main focus right here at the junction is focusing on the left light here and looking at the light when you may see the filter light come on. That's it. You can see the new speed limit sign ahead of you, it's 20 miles per hour. You can see that? It's always planning from a distance, looking from a distance, you've got time. Make sure you maintain that. So when we stop behind another vehicle, it's tyres and tarmac, so we can see the tyres of the vehicle in front and the road behind it comfortably. Yeah? Do you know why we maintain that much gap? Why?
In case of crash into them.
Well,
They stop.
They may stop, and the car behind you might crash into you, and you want to crash. You might not crash into the car if you've got enough distance. If you're too close, you might hit that car. If they break down, you can comfortably go around them.
Yeah.
So just like that's it. Ready? So here we are. And if we're on a hill, if it rolls back, we're going to whip it. Right, let's go. So you can see here the filter light never came on. Yeah. Good. Well done. Yeah. Now a lot of people here get confused about the speed limit. They see the road's quite open.
Yeah.
What do you think the speed limit here is?
30.
Correct, it is 30. And as you can see here, we're going along. The speed limit is nicer. The road is clear, but you can see the road markings on both sides. There's an arrow facing the opposite way, so you know it's a two-way road. And it's like I said, this built-up area, 30 miles per hour. If you look further down, here's a sign first of all. The road is merging with the dual carriageway. Here we are, and there's the sign ahead of you. What's the speed limit coming up? Correct. Keep your hands level now, drive on. Now we're coming up to the famous Redbridge Roundabout. If you signal to your right, move across, that's it, there we are. Good. There we go. Alright? So we have to change our lane. There we go. Because the left lane further on, we're going to be taking the second exit from the roundabout, is why we moved to this lane here. Taking the second exit. Now if you were to take the first exit, you go into the left lane and keep in the left lane, that's a slip road. But we're in this lane here, and we maintain our first lane as we're going along here. They've just redone the roundabout as they put new road markings there to make it easier for you to follow the line. So as we're behind this bus here, keeping in the first lane but not in the slip road on the left, just keep on going. So you keep in the lane where it says A12. Because it's a controlled roundabout, you've got lights, so you'd have to give way to the right, which is easier. So you brake, let's see, you get distance right this time. And there we are, tyres and tarmac. Look at that. So, as we're taking the second exit, do we need to signal straight away? No, good. So we've got past the first exit. Now, here's a slip road. Let's say you've missed the slip road. You can go around here in the first lane and join it back again. You don't need to cut into the left here now. You can just go past it, as the lights change, signal left, and there's a lane to take you back into there, just in case you missed it. You don't need to do something which is dangerous.
Yeah.
And there you are, lights have changed, let's go. Yeah, good speed. Turn it a bit more. There, so a bit more this side. There we are. Now as you can see the road markings, so you can see that, yeah? And look, as you can see here, you don't need to change your lane. Look at that there, what it says, A406.
Yep.
All right, and the A12. So just as the bus, same as the car ahead of us. Just maintain this lane. There you go. Keeping the first lane. Now look, that's the first exit. We're taking the second exit, and also the third exit you can take from this first lane.
Okay.
This first lane, as I said, A12 on the road for ECC. So just keep it here. There you go. And we're going to come off here now. So that's it, and come in. And you can see that the third exit also you can take from the first lane. Good. And then that's it. There we go. At the roundabout, mini roundabout, we'll take the first exit again. There you go. So because of road markings, they've just laid down new road markings. It's easier to maintain the lane. Just read what it says on the road. You can follow it.
Signal left.
Yes, please. Hold on. There you go. Left on top of the wheel. Come, let's go. Yeah. That's it. Look to your right as you did. And carry on. Hold on. Good. Now off the gas. Come a bit closer. Good. Good, like that. Follow the line of the road, which is like curving around. There you are. Right on top of the wheel. That's yeah, a bit more. There you are. It's more comfortable, isn't it, when you steer bigger?
Yeah.
So bigger steer on the wheel is always easier. Good. Take the next road on the right, please. Turn right. Yep. Good. Again, right on top of the wheel. Let's go. Yep. Yeah. There you are. Well done. Good. Good. This is Vista Drive. So when you see an oncoming vehicle, what's the first thing you do?
Behind you.
Check your mirrors. Everything you do, the first thing you do is check your mirrors. Good. And there you go. Right. Well done. Good. And that's what it is. And who had priority, them or us?
Them.
We had priority because the parked car was on their side.
So,
Yeah,
okay.
but you saw they was coming at us, so we slowed down, we gave them enough space, and we carried on. But that's what we got to judge. Like even here, as opposed to the white car, all the parked cars are on the opposite side, the right side, yeah? So to be honest, we have priority to carry on. So like this car's coming. There you are, carry on. Good. At the end of the road, turn left, please. Good. Very good. Very nice. When it's safe to do so, can you bip your horn for me, please? There you go. Anywhere on the thumb, so you just bring your thumb out. Anywhere. There you go. So just any of that middle bit there. That's fine. When it's safe to do so, I'd like you to do your front wash wipers. Bit more. There you go. You gotta wait for it to come on like that there, yeah? And that's it, you sorted. Good. Well done. Okay, take the next road on the right, please. What do you think that's turning?
It's too soon.
Too soon?
Yeah.
You cut the corner, didn't you? Yeah, so that's right. You've got to make sure that you come into your own half, especially when it's clear, yeah? You can only cut that when it's not clear. And then you carry on walking to that. Right, we're on Lee Avenue. We're coming to the end of the road. We're going to turn right into the Redbridge lane. Nice rolling lane, big one. Rolling lane. South. Road lane south. So here we are, coming to the end of the road. Turn right, please. Good. So yeah, you change your direction, then what do you do before that? Check your mirrors. There we go. That's it. Vehicle's coming. Just wait. Look to your right, look to your left. Yes. If there's a risk, don't take it. Yeah? There's a risk factor, just don't take it. Look left again. Look right and go now. There you are.
Is it?
Yeah. You see where he's pulling off from? Yeah? There we go. Look left again now. Okay. Right, we're good to go. Yep. You're off now? Good. And carry on again. Cool. What's the speed limit?
30.
Correct. Always look out for the information again so you know. Where should you be positioned right now? Yeah, my side. This side a bit more. Now you've got warning signs. Very important to look at the warning signs, yeah? So it says roadworks, yeah? Good. Right. What's the colour?
Green.
Yeah. So you can go. Yeah, there we go. Good. Like that. Well done. Good. Off the gas. Good. There we go. There you are. Well done. So that's why it's important to look at the warning signs from advance, and your planning starts according to that there. Here you have another sign. This is what? You know what this is? Width restriction.
Okay.
Right. So it said 7 foot wide. So these ones are 7 foot wide. So all you got to do is slow down. Now line up with the curb now. Slow down more please. Slow down more. Check your mirror. Keep left. So just keep line up with the curb on the left side and straighten it up now. Straighten up. That's it. Go through. Done. There you are. Done. That's it. So the way you get through width restriction, you keep it to the left, get in line with the curb, and then you go through it. And now just keep your car to your left side. Do you know why we have width restrictions? You know, so like here, we're coming up to an industrial estate, so the larger vehicles can't drive, the heavy goods vehicles like the lorries and trucks, they can't come into a residential area, so they keeps them out the left and stay from here and go back on the main road. They can't go that way, and that keeps them on there. Now we're coming up to the Woodford Avenue, the A12, not the A12, beg your pardon, A1400. Now slow down, brake more here, get a bit more, off the brake and then big steer, there you are, gone. And the sign down the left is saying dual carriage around the left, so you've got to turn left here. There was a sign here before, but it's been knocked down. Yes please. Good, now look at your positioning, come after you, that's it, but bring your left hand top of the wheel and turn that. Come on, turn it more. Turn it more there, like that. Okay, after this next car, right, we're going to go now. Come on, and gas, come on, floor it, come on. Yeah, come on, floor it. Right. It's 40. There, and off the gas, there you are, done. So you have to accelerate really hard there. As we're in an automatic, there's no gear change, clutch control, so it's more easier. And there we are. Good. What's the distance we maintain?
Tyres Tarmac.
That's the one. Good. Well done. A bit more forward. Go on. Keep rolling. You're right. Yeah. A bit more. That's it. A bit more. Yeah. And there you go. Done. That's it. Now again, look out for signs which help you know what the speed limit is, so you can keep an eye on them. Again, as you're about to move off, what's the first thing you check?
Mirrors.
Yeah, that's it. Go on. And go. So then you know if there's any motorbike, any cyclists, you know, zooming around you, and then you carry on. Coming to a roundabout, we're going to take the first exit for Snaresbrook on the left, yeah? Take the first exit on the left, please. The left lane, as you can see, So as it clears up, so keep your distance here. Tyres Tarmac, remember? Good. Now what can you do? Signal to you?
Yeah.
Yes. So when they move forward and there's enough room, then we take the gap. There we are. We can go now. Come on. There you are. Go. Yeah. There you go. Done. Now as we went over the bus stop, can we go over the bus stop?
Yeah.
Yes, we can. It's not a bus lane, it's a bus stop, isn't it? Yeah? Good. Now off the gas a bit, approaching it there. Look at the brake lights of the vehicle in front, slowing down. There you are, road markings again. Come to your left a bit more. A bit more. That's it, brake. There you are, look. Okay. So after the next vehicle, the silver car, we're good to go. Keep it here. There you go. Just keep it in the first lane. Road markings are there. Off the gas. As you come around here, the 30 miles per hour sign. Slow down. Slow down, please. Here we are. Good. You don't want to come too fast because you don't want to. You want to keep the car under your control. Yeah. There we have it. Good. Safe to do so. Can you put on your rear demister, please? Yeah, here. There's the one. That's it. One. There you go. Keep going. Carry on. Going to switch it off again. That's it. There you are. Good. Again, getting used to all where the buttons are. So rear demister and rear wash wiper. Two different things. What's the speed limit?
30.
Yeah. Now we have a vehicle on the left with hazard warning lights on, yeah? Look ahead, look at it's got a bit congested, so we drive slower, see, like that there, it's fine, there you go, carry on now, brake, there we go, because there's not enough room to be, yeah? Because they're already in the road, aren't they, yeah? So you don't want to go around, or it doesn't make any sense, because you're going to go on the wrong side of the road there. And go now, go on. There you are. Because they'll come at you, but as long as you know it's your priority to go, then it's clear. You go. Pull up on the left, please. Yep. That's it. Good. There we are. There. Handbrake on. Secure the car. That's it. Press that, and then there you go. Done. Good. You press the P button. Now you drive when you're ready, please. Yeah, and then look over your shoulder again. The second, the double shoulder check is very important. So on your driving test, they're going to ask you to stop 4 to 6 times, right? Like that. There, you stop and say you stop yourself in a safe and convenient place. Perfect, absolutely brilliant. And that's what you have to do there. that's it again. Press P, handbrake on. There we go. Signal. Good. And that